it, but you're fine, so fine, fine, so fine. Oh, oh, girl, I'm gonna show you when you're mine, oh mine, mine, oh mine. Treasure.
Hey loves, welcome to my channel. It's Kristen Albert, and today we have a Baldy Locks boutique review. This packaging was everything. It comes with a little satin bag to hold your wig, and the wig came in a net, and it gives you a pamphlet to know more about the brand, some reviews as well, and just more information in general. The lace on this unit is impeccable. This is probably my favorite wig to date that I've received. When I tell you I love the blonde, everything about this wig. It's 150% density, a small cap, it's a custom unit, and I believe it is 18 inches. It is one of my favorite wigs. I've styled it so many different ways and I'm obsessed with it. I just love how this wig looks. So just showing you guys the construction of the cap. It is a 13x6 unit. It does come with a band in the back. The tabs on the back really made it to where the wig fits super snug. So this really could be a glueless unit. I always like to glue my units down just because of how I style them. Here I'm just hot combing the unit just a little bit to kind of get some hair out the way. With my wig dealer adhesive and just getting those layers, I do about 2 to 3 layers and blow dry.
You are my treasure, you are my treasure, you are my treasure, yeah, you are my treasure, you are my treasure, you are my...
Once the glue is tacky and somewhat dry, I like to place the unit over the glue and really just make sure that it is aligning where it needs to align. Go in with my wig dealer melting spray, and I use a little bit of that. I like to use my melting band and dry just so the wig is very secure and we don't have any of that white cast.
Give me your attention, babe.
So here I'm going in to trim the baby hairs just to give it more of a natural look.
You're wonderful, flawless, ooh, you a sexy lady.
Then going in with my Eco Styler gel to lay those baby hairs down.
You're someone else. I know that you don't know it, but you're fine, so fine, fine, so fine. Oh, girl, I'm gonna show you when you're mine, oh mine, mine, oh mine. Treasure, that is what you are. You're my golden sun. You know you can make my wish come true. If you let...
Touching up with a final bit of powder and using my wax stick before hot combing the top just to make sure the unit is very flat. Pretty girl, you should be smiling. A girl like you should never look so... Now I'm going with my T3 curler and just curling the unit. And I just kind of wanted more of like a wave, like a body, like bigger curl. So not really doing like a super tight curl. I ended up kind of combing them out, but just to give the hair some more body.
Don't know it, but you're fine, so fine, fine, so fine. Oh, girl, I'm gonna show you when you're mine, oh mine, mine, oh mine. Treasure, that is what you are. You're my golden sun. You know you can make my wish come true.
A huge thank you to Baldy Locks Boutique for sending me this unit. I am obsessed with it. It is literally my favorite unit. The hair is super soft, great quality. The lace is just invisible. I get so many compliments when I wear this wig out, and I absolutely love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
You are my treasure, yeah, you are my treasure.
make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and look forward to the next one. Bye!
You are